Hi my lovely queens, welcome back to my channel. For everybody who's new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. Welcome to this video, which is in collaboration with Wrapunzel, and it is a wrapping tutorial, and it will be one more video in the installment of one look for two shapers, or two shapers one look. So this is the look we are creating today, and I'm calling this Leorah's High Ponytail. And we're going to use, sorry, I'm still a little bit under the weather, so my voice is a little bit sorry. Okay, so we're going to use the Wendy shaper and the Ultimate shaper today, and we're going to create this look. Everything I'm using is going to be linked in the description box, so it's easy for you to find it. And without further ado, we're going to go right into the tutorial. Okay, here we are, my lovelies. I'm just going to tell you what we need right in front, no, front up. How do you say that? I don't know. Right at the start, I'm going to tell you what we need. So first of all, my pin cushion. Then we need little tiny rubber bands, and they're the kinds, they're so tiny, so I hope I can show you this. These are those very, very tiny ones. Wait, you see this? This kind, they also come in clear. I just showed you the black one because that's easier to see. So there are also those clear ones. One can buy them like in big packages of like 100 or something. Those ones I love to use for wrapping because they just disappear into the look and you just don't see them anymore. So that's perfect. Excuse my voice, really. Okay, so the Ultimate shaper is on. I'm always shocked how small my head is when I'm wearing a smaller shaper. Okay, and then we do need the shimmery. I'm using the red one, which is this one. And this is a sari scarf in blue. Just in case you don't know, when you order sari scarves, none of them look exactly alike. So just so you know that if you're ordering something and you like this particular one, it does not necessarily look exactly like that, because they're all, how do you say that? They're all special. Like every single one is special. Like every person, you know, like every single person is special. Sari scarves, every single one is special. Let's put it that way. Okay, so this look is actually a spin-off a little bit of the Micellar wrap, because I love that idea of having this tail hanging down. If you remember, I'm gonna link the Micellar wrap video like right here, because this is the basic principle of that look, but it is different. Okay, we are starting like this. We're going from the top down. And I know that wearing the shimmery with a white shaper underneath is not the smartest idea. This is just for demonstration purposes. If you have a different shaper that matches your hair color, then that's of course a smarter idea. But this is, like I said, it's just for demonstration purposes only. So you see the wrap on a smaller shaper. And in my normal world, I would probably wear something underneath that backs up the color of the shimmery, or at least a black shaper, but this is the one I have, and I just wanted to show you this wrap with a different shaper, not only my Wendy shaper that I love to use most. Okay, so you crossed over behind your head, and then you're holding it like this. Next thing, I am feeding through my sari scarf from the bottom up, and I'm placing it here over my head with both ends hanging down in the front and in the back, approximately the same length, and I'm tying a knot. Now in this case, you probably would have to tie like a double knot, because both of those scarves are quite slippery. You know, if you're doing this look with something out of cotton that is less slippery, you get away with one knot. Definitely, I've tried that out. But with this kind of two materials that are rather slippery, I would suggest you do 2 knots. So here's the second one. And then you're taking the back part of the sari scarf and just spreading it out nicely if it's not yet spread out. And then you take those two ends of the shimmery and the front end of the sari scarf and you braid it. Just a regular braid like this. And then you flip it towards the back. And then, I'm extending above the frame of my video, I guess. Okay, and then you pick up the sides of this, the back part of the sari scarf, like this. And now I'm using my rubber band. Wait. It has collapsed. Okay, now I'm using my rubber band here, and I'm just pulling all of this through the rubber band. Now, according to my experience, you don't have to even pin this down if you are using scarves that are less slippery. But in this case, I would suggest you do. So I'm just pinning down the sides here a little bit into the shaper with my pins. And this is the finished look. Now again, you see the white shaper peeking through. This is not the perfect situation, but this is again just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so we're ready for the next wrap, which is going to be the same wrap, but with the Wendy shaper. Okay, welcome back to the second look. We're going to do exactly the same thing, using the shimmery, placing it down, and here you can see that it looks much better with a dark shaper underneath. But as I said, you can always back it up if you have a light or a white shaper, or you know what, if you use a light color as a basic. I don't know if the shimmery comes in white, but that could actually look quite stunning on a white shaper, obviously. So we're placing this down a little bit more to the front. There we go. And then crossing over in the back. Try to do this tight, okay, so it doesn't slip, and holding it up like this. You could theoretically already do a knot now and then another one later once you have the sari scarf in place, but I always think that one should not do unnecessary knots, and this is, I think this is sufficient like that. So again, we're feeding through the sari scarf like this, and I'm tying a double knot. Okay, I'm just putting this here nicely, opening it up, and then I'm starting to braid the three front strands. Then I'm flipping it backwards. I'm grabbing the back part of the sari scarf, and I'm taking my rubber band again and tying it all together. Like this. And again, I'm taking my pins and I'm just pinning this down. Like that. Sorry. My voice is terrible. Alright, so let me just fix myself up for you. So this is how it looks. Now, if you ask my opinion, and I guess you do because you're here, if you ask my opinion, I would think that the Uberproof is not suitable for this look because this extends so high as it is that I think if you use the Uberproof, it's gonna look insane, unless that's the look you're going for, you know? So, but I'm so into this kind of a flowing ponytail kind of a thing. I think I'm going to try to make more spin-offs of that one because I just love this, and I don't know, isn't it powerful? I've said that also about the Milky Wrap. I think those looks are so powerful and I love this. I just need that in my life. So that's what I'm doing and I think it's awesome. So what do you think? Let me know. Let me know if you enjoyed this. If you're new here, then please feel free to subscribe to my channel. And all of you, if you like the video, please give it a like. If you have questions and comments, please leave them in the comment section. Other than that, you find everything I use and also my makeup and everything, all my other social media in the description box, so feel free to check that out as well. And besides that, if you post pictures recreating my looks, please feel free to tag me so you'll make sure that I see it, because otherwise I will probably not. And that's it. So if you have any suggestions what you want to see, I think I've told you already in one of my previous videos that if you have something that you have total problems with that you want me to work with, then let me know what kind of scarf that is and I can try to help you and try to figure it out. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy wrapping and being creative and using this as your special accessory and a special crown and special, you know, this is such a gift, and for me, I don't know, I don't even have words to explain what the wrapping means to me. I never thought that I would be so into this, but I am. So let me know how you feel about this. Anyway, I love this and I hope you come back next time for my next video, which is going to be really soon. I'm looking very much forward to seeing you here again, and up until then, wear your crown proudly. Hugs and kisses. Love you so much. Bye.